the Bay of Bengal, a place of mystery and beauty. It stretches over 2 million square kilometers. Teeming with life, it holds ancient secrets. Imagine vibrant coral reefs and playful dolphins. This is the Bay of Bengal, a haven for marine life. Its waters shimmer under the tropical sun. The Bay of Bengal is located in the Indian Ocean. Nestled between India and Southeast Asia, bordered by Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand and Sri Lanka. This unique location makes it a melting pot of cultures. Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent collided with Asia, creating the Himalayas and the Bay of Bengal. Rivers like the Ganges and Brahmaputra have sculpted its underwater topography. The Bay of Bengal is a vital waterway, a major shipping route connecting east and west. It supports millions of people, with fishing communities relying on its bounty. Tourism thrives on its natural beauty, but the bay is more than just a geographical feature. It's a living, breathing entity, crucial for countless species, including our own. The Bay of Bengal is a biodiversity hotspot. Its warm, tropical waters teem with life, from microscopic plankton to giant whales. Nutrient-rich waters from rivers create ideal conditions for phytoplankton, the base of the food chain. Fish like sardines, tuna, and mackerel thrive here, supporting large fishing industries. Sharks and rays patrol the depths, maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Marine mammals like dolphins, porpoises, and whales migrate through the bay, using it as a breeding ground. Their presence is a testament to the bay's ecological significance. The Bay of Bengal is a fisherman's paradise. Its warm waters support a vast array of fish species. Fishermen have cast their nets here for centuries, relying on the bay's bounty. Indian mackerel, traveling in large schools, are a vital food source for larger predators. Hilsa fish, prized for their delicate flavor, migrate from the ocean into rivers during the monsoon season. The bay is also home to colorful reef fish like parrotfish and angelfish. These species add to the beauty of the coral reefs. Beneath the surface of the Bay of Bengal lies a hidden world. Coral reefs teeming with life provide shelter for a dazzling array of creatures. Brightly colored clownfish, delicate seahorses, and graceful manta rays inhabit these underwater gardens. Invertebrates like crabs, lobsters, and shrimps scuttle across the ocean floor. Octopuses, masters of camouflage, lurk in crevices, waiting for prey. These coral reefs are vital to the bay's health, providing food and shelter for countless species. They protect coastlines from erosion and inspire wonder. The Bay of Bengal is home to a variety of marine mammals. Irrawaddy dolphins, with their rounded heads and short beaks, are unique inhabitants. Sadly, these dolphins are endangered due to habitat loss and fishing gear entanglement. Dugongs, related to manatees, graze on seagrass beds, playing a vital role in ecosystem health. The bay is also a migratory route for whales like humpbacks and bride's whales. Seeing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is unforgettable. They remind us of the wildness and wonder that still exist in our oceans. The marine life of the Bay of Bengal is a delicate balancing act. Overfishing is a major problem, impacting fish stocks and the entire ecosystem. Pollution from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris contaminates the water and harms marine life. Climate change, with rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification, threatens coral reefs and marine ecosystems. Protecting the bay requires a concerted effort from governments, organizations, and individuals. Sustainable fishing practices, pollution control measures, and climate change mitigation strategies are essential. Together, we can preserve this natural wonder. The Bay of Bengal's shores are teeming with life. The fishing cat, with its webbed feet and water-resistant coat, is a skilled hunter in the mangroves. The majestic Bengal tiger roams the forests and grasslands, hunting for prey. The beaches provide a safe haven for olive ridley sea turtles, returning to lay their eggs. These creatures play a vital role in the coastal ecosystems. Their presence is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Protecting their habitats is crucial for their survival. The skies above the Bay of Bengal are alive with a variety of birds. The white-bellied sea eagle, with its striking white belly and dark brown wings, soars above the bay. The brown-winged kingfisher, with its vibrant blue and orange plumage, dives with precision to catch fish. The spotted redshank, with its long legs and red beak, probes the mud for crustaceans. These birds add a vibrant dimension to the bay's ecosystem. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive in this environment. They are a testament to the bay's rich biodiversity. The mangrove forests that fringe the Bay of Bengal are essential to the ecosystem's health. The proboscis monkey, with its large nose, forages for leaves, fruits and seeds among the mangroves. The critically endangered Sundar pangolin, covered in scales, uses its long tongue to lap up ants and termites. The mangrove whistler, with its distinctive call, gleans insects from the trees. These creatures depend on the mangroves for survival. Protecting these forests is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. The mangroves are a vital habitat for a diverse array of species. The Bay of Bengal is a symphony of sounds. The crashing waves, calls of seabirds, and rustling leaves create a unique soundscape. As the sun rises, gulls and terns search for fish, while ospreys circle overhead. The chattering of monkeys and calls of kingfishers fill the air. As evening falls, the chirping of crickets and croaking of frogs signal the coming night. Listening to this symphony underscores the importance of preserving this natural wonder. The Bay of Bengal is a mosaic of diverse ecosystems. Coral reefs teem with colourful fish and crustaceans. Mangrove forests stand as guardians of the shore, providing refuge for fish and mudskippers. Lagoons, estuaries and deltas are nurseries for marine species. Birds with vibrant plumage fill the air with their calls. Each habitat supports a unique array of life, adding to the bay's captivating beauty. The Bay of Bengal's coastline is a blend of sun-kissed beaches, tranquil lagoons and dramatic cliffs. Sea turtles return to these shores to lay their eggs. Seabirds soar overhead, scanning the water for fish. Sheltered lagoons provide a haven for juvenile fish. Rocky cliffs are home to seabirds, their nests perched on narrow ledges. These landscapes are a testament to nature's raw beauty. Where mighty rivers like the Ganges, the Brahmaputra and the Irrawaddy empty into the Bay of Bengal, they create a unique and incredibly productive ecosystem, the delta. These vast wetlands, a labyrinth of channels, mudflats and islands, are a haven for biodiversity. The rivers, carrying rich sediments from the Himalayas and other mountain ranges, deposit their bounty into the Bay of Bengal. This influx of nutrients fuels a complex food web, supporting a staggering array of life. Fish in abundance attract larger predators, including crocodiles and freshwater dolphins. The delta's intricate network of waterways provides ideal nesting grounds for migratory birds. Flocks of ducks, geese and waders descend upon these wetlands, their vibrant colors and calls transforming the landscape into a symphony of life. These birds, traveling thousands of miles, rely on the delta's abundance to fuel their long journeys. The Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, lie at the heart of the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that even in the face of human encroachment, wild places still exist. The Bay of Bengal's islands, scattered like emeralds across its vast expanse, are havens of biodiversity. Clad in lush tropical vegetation, these islands offer a glimpse into a world untouched by the passage of time. Rainforests, teeming with life, cloak many of these islands. Towering trees, their canopies forming a dense emerald ceiling, filter the sunlight, creating a world of dappled light and shadow. Monkeys swing effortlessly through the branches, their calls echoing through the stillness of the forest. Along the coast, coconut palms sway gracefully in the breeze, their fronds rustling like whispers carried on the wind. These iconic trees, their nuts a source of food and fiber for centuries, are a symbol of tropical paradise. Beneath their shade, crabs scuttle along the sandy beaches, their claws clicking a rhythmic beat. The islands of the Bay of Bengal, each with its unique character and charm, are a testament to the power of isolation to foster biodiversity. They are a reminder that even in a world increasingly shaped by human activity, pockets of pristine wilderness still exist, offering hope for the future of our planet. The Bay of Bengal, for all its beauty, is facing a growing threat at us. Human activities are casting a long shadow over this once pristine ecosystem. Pollution, industrial waste, and plastic are disrupting the delicate balance of life. Overfishing and climate change add to the stress. Rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification are bleaching coral reefs. The Bay of Bengal is suffering from our actions. Coastal communities are bearing the brunt. Fishermen struggle with dwindling catches. Tourism suffers as pollution degrades beaches. The price of progress extends beyond economics. The Bay of Bengal's fabric of life is threatened. Endangered species are pushed closer to extinction. The Irrawaddy dolphin faces an uncertain future. The olive ridley sea turtle fights for survival. The Bay of Bengal's degradation is a stark reminder. Our actions have consequences for all living things. The time for complacency is gone. We must act now to reverse the damage and safeguard this natural treasure. Despite the daunting challenges, there is hope for the Bay of Bengal. Across the region, individuals, communities, and organizations are rising to the challenge, working tirelessly to protect this precious ecosystem. They are the guardians of the bay, their efforts a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Conservation groups armed with scientific knowledge and unwavering dedication are leading the charge. They are conducting research to better understand the bay's complex ecosystem, identifying threats and developing strategies for mitigation. They are working with local communities to promote sustainable fishing practices, ensuring that fish stocks are replenished and the marine environment is protected. Governments, recognizing the urgency of the situation, are beginning to implement policies aimed at curbing pollution and protecting marine life. Marine protected areas, those sanctuaries for marine life, are being established, providing safe havens for endangered species and allowing ecosystems to recover. Local communities, those who depend on the bay for their livelihoods and cultural heritage, are playing a vital role in conservation efforts. They're taking ownership of the problem, organizing beach cleanups, reducing plastic use, and advocating for stronger environmental regulations. Protecting the Bay of Bengal is not just the responsibility of a few dedicated individuals or organizations. It is a shared responsibility, one that demands the collective action of all who benefit from this precious resource. From governments to industries, from coastal communities to consumers, we all have a role to play in ensuring the health of the bay for generations to come. We can all make a difference in our own lives by reducing our environmental footprint. We can choose sustainable seafood, minimizing our contribution to overfishing. We can reduce our plastic consumption, preventing this harmful material from ending up in the ocean. We can support organizations working to protect the Bay of Bengal, lending our voices and resources to their vital work. The future of the Bay of Bengal hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine whether this natural wonder continues to thrive or succumbs to the pressures of human activity. Let us choose wisely. Let us choose to be stewards of this precious ecosystem. And let us work together to ensure that the Bay of Bengal continues to enchant and inspire generations to come. The Bay of Bengal, a place of immense beauty and biodiversity, faces a future clouded with uncertainty. We have journeyed through its wonders, from the sun-dappled shallows where vibrant coral reefs shimmer to the depths where silent hunters stalk their prey. We have witnessed the intricate dance of life in its mangrove forests and the bustling activity of its fishing communities. Yet, this magnificent ecosystem, a cradle of life for millennia, is under threat. Human activities, driven by a relentless pursuit of progress, are leaving an indelible mark on the bay. Pollution chokes its waters, overfishing depletes its once abundant marine life, and climate change casts a long shadow over its future. The signs of distress are all around us. Beaches, once pristine, are now littered with plastic waste. Fishing nets cast into the sea return empty or filled with bycatch, a stark reminder of our unsustainable practices. Coral reefs, those underwater cities teeming with life, are bleaching and dying, victims of warming waters and changing ocean chemistry. The Bay of Bengal is more than just a body of water. It is a living testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. It is a source of sustenance for millions, a cradle of culture and tradition. What will become of this natural treasure if we fail to act? Imagine a future where the Bay of Bengal is a shadow of its former self. The vibrant coral reefs, once teeming with life, are reduced to barren wastelands. The waters, once teeming with fish, are eerily silent. The beaches, once pristine, are choked with plastic waste. This is not a future we have to accept. The fate of the Bay of Bengal is not predetermined. We have the power to change course, to chart a new path towards a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The time for complacency is long gone. The challenges facing the Bay of Bengal are complex and multifaceted, demanding a collective response that matches the scale of the crisis. We must act now with urgency and determination to protect this precious ecosystem for generations to come. Governments must step up, enacting and enforcing policies that protect the marine environment, promote sustainable fishing practices, and reduce pollution from all sources. International cooperation is crucial as the Bay of Bengal's health depends on the actions of all the nations that share its waters. Businesses, especially those in industries that impact the marine environment, have a responsibility to adopt sustainable practices, reduce their environmental footprint, and invest in technologies and innovations that promote a healthy ocean. Consumers, through their choices, can support sustainable businesses, reduce their own consumption, and demand accountability from the companies they patronize. The task before us may seem daunting, but we must not lose sight of the fact that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Just as a single raindrop contributes to a mighty river, so too can our individual actions create a wave of change that washes over the Bay of Bengal, restoring its health and ensuring its vitality for generations to come. Let us each commit to being stewards of this precious ecosystem. Let us reduce our plastic consumption, make responsible seafood choices, support organizations working to protect the Bay of Bengal, and spread awareness about the challenges it faces. Let us teach our children to respect and care for the ocean, for in their hands lies the future of this magnificent bay and the countless life forms it sustains. The Bay of Bengal is calling out to us, urging us to act before it's too late. Let us answer that call with courage, compassion, and a shared commitment to protecting this natural wonder for all time.